Corrosion. Definition. Corrosion is the deterioration or destruction of metals and alloys in the presence of an environment by chemical or electrochemical means. It is an irreversible interfacial reaction of a material with its environment which results in its consumption or dissolution into the material of a component of the environment. Corrosion can occur when the substance is exposed to air or chemicals. Rusting is one type of corrosion that mainly occurs when a metal is exposed to air and moisture. Corrosion can be classified in different ways, such as chemical corrosion and electrochemical corrosion, high temperature corrosion and low temperature corrosion, dry corrosion and wet corrosion. High temperature and low temperature corrosion. Let's discuss first high temperature corrosion. High temperature corrosion is the oxidation process of a metal involving the reaction between the metal and the atmospheric oxygen at elevated temperatures. In such corrosion, increase in temperature or pressure directly leads to a higher corrosion rate because electrochemical reactions generally occur faster at higher temperatures. Examples of such corrosion are gas turbines, diesel engines, furnaces, or other machinery coming in contact with hot air, etc. Low temperature corrosion. Low temperature corrosion is the oxidation process occurring at or below room temperature, between a solid and a gas. It usually involves the combination of oxygen with metals, and it has the greatest commercial impact in the presence of moisture. Examples of such corrosion are biomass combustion, fuel corrosion, etc. Chemical and electrochemical corrosion. Chemical corrosion. Chemical corrosion is caused by the metal reacting with water vapor or gas at higher temperatures. Chemical corrosion is the redox process in which the electrons of the metal are passed directly to the substances in the environment. For example, iron and copper corrosion. Electrochemical corrosion. Electrochemical corrosion is a redox process in which the metal is corroded by the action of an electrolyte solution that generates electrons that move from the anode to the cathode. Electrochemical corrosion is the destruction of metal by contact with the electrolyte solution to create an electric current. For example, the shell of a submerged ship, the conduit placed in the ground, the metal in contact with the humid air, etc. Dry corrosion and wet corrosion. Dry corrosion. Dry corrosion is corrosion which occurs due to the direct chemical attack of the metal by the environment. It occurs in dry condition and corrosion products accumulate at the place of corrosion. It is a self-controlled process. An example of such corrosion is formation of mild scale on iron surface. Wet corrosion. Wet corrosion is corrosion which occurs due to the formation of a large number of anodic and cathodic areas. It occurs in the presence of moisture and corrosion occurs at the anode while the products are formed elsewhere. It is a continuous process. An example of such corrosion is rusting of iron in moist atmosphere. The most important types of corrosion are uniform corrosion, galvanic corrosion, concentration cells, pitting corrosion, dezincification and selective leaching, atmospheric corrosion, soil corrosion, erosion corrosion, fretting corrosion, crevice corrosion, stress corrosion, intergranular and transgranular corrosion, hydrogen cracking and embrittlement, and corrosion fatigue. These are some common types of corrosion. The consequences of corrosion are: due to formation of corrosion, the efficiency of the machine gets failure leads to plant shutdown. Due to formation of corrosion reaction products gets contaminated and also there is loss of products. The corroded equipment must be replaced due to its side effect on materials. Due to formation of corrosion, preventive maintenance like metallic coating or organic coating is required. Corrosion releases the toxic products. Pollution due to a corrosion product or due to the escaping chemical from a corroded equipment. Corrosion causes environmental damage threatening the ecosystem. Thanks for watching, bye bye, see you.